Let's explore the world of immune-boosting juices that you can easily make at home. Today, we have 3 delicious and nutritious recipes that will not only tantalize your taste buds but also help strengthen your immune system. So grab your favorite juicer or blender, and let's get started. Our first juice is a classic that's loved by many: orange juice. Oranges are not only rich in vitamin C, but they also contain flavonoids, which have antioxidant properties. Vitamin C plays a vital role in supporting the immune system, and it's essential for the production of collagen, a protein that helps wounds heal. Did you know that just one medium-sized orange contains approximately 70 milligrams of vitamin C? That's more than the recommended daily intake for adults. If you don't have oranges, you can also use other citrus fruits like grapefruits or tangerines as alternatives. Our second juice is a vibrant green drink packed with nutrients: spinach and kiwi juice. Spinach is a fantastic source of vitamins A, C, and E, as well as minerals like iron and magnesium. Kiwis, on the other hand, are known for their high vitamin C content and also provide a good amount of fiber. Fun fact: did you know that kiwis contain more vitamin C than oranges? Yes, gram for gram, kiwis have about twice the amount of vitamin C compared to oranges. So, this juice is a double whammy when it comes to immune-boosting goodness. If you're not a fan of spinach, you can substitute it with kale or Swiss chard. Our third juice is a delightful combination of berries, a mixed berry blast. Berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, are known for their high levels of antioxidants, which help fight off harmful free radicals in the body. While we are on the topic of facts, blueberries are particularly rich in anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant that gives them their vibrant color. These anthocyanins have anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. If you can't find fresh berries, frozen ones work just as well and retain their nutritional value. And there you have it. 3 fantastic juices that can give your immune system a boost and leave you feeling refreshed and revitalized. Remember, these juices are just the beginning, and you can get creative by combining different fruits and vegetables to suit your taste preferences and nutritional needs. It's time to incorporate these immune-boosting juices into your daily routine. They are not only delicious but also an excellent way to nourish your body with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Cheers to your health.